students, myself Gitika Kalra, and today in this GK video we are going to do 5 next chapters of GK. So all of you take out page number 50. As you can see, this is page number 50 and the name of the chapter is logical thinking. So what is logical thinking? In first case you have to give what is common to each set. Like first one has been done for you, like Flipkart, Amazon, you all are using nowadays, that is e-commerce companies. Now second is Lufthansa, Qantas, Gulf Air, Emirates, these all are airlines. The second answer is airlines. Third, N.R. Narayan Murthy, Aziz Premji, Bill Gates, these all are IT leaders. Fourth, Gidda and Ghumar, these all are folk dances. Fifth, Andy Murray, Somdev and Rohan Bopana, these all are tennis players. Sixth, Shillong, Gangtok, Aizawl, Agartala, these all are capital cities of northeast states of India. Okay. Now B is one does not belong to the set, which one? So first answer is root. Second is regulator. Third, sail. Rest all are the parts of the ship. Cruise means. Fourth is papad. Rest all are sweets. Now C part, this is to that as. You have to do first part is Gautam Buddha is to Buddhism as Guru Nanak is to Sikhism. Next, Kolkata is to West Bengal. Novelist is to novel. And last, intelligence is to intelligent. So this completes your page number 50. Now all of you take out page number 51. So page number 51 is this. First is page number 51. The name of the chapter is sculpted. Okay. So first answer is Pita. Second, loins of Delos. Third answer is the thinker. Fourth, reclining figure. Fifth, the Mother Russia statue. Sixth, Moai, M-O-A-I, and seventh is Nataraj. Now, as you talk about first, it was a sculpture, that is a life-size sculpture of Virgin Mary holding her son Jesus in her arms. So, answer is Pita. So, you have to name the famous sculptor who made this. Second, these sculptures are located on the small green island. These statues were dedicated to the god Apollo. So, answer is loins of Delos. Third, sculptured by Augustin Rodin. Initially named the poet, it was supposed to be representation of the poet Dante. So, answer is the thinker. And fourth, made in 1951, this is signature style of Henry Moore, and the answer is reclining figure. Fifth, this is a famous statue in Russia. Answer is the Mother Russia statue. Sixth, dance form of Lord Shiva. Answer is Moe. And seventh answer is the Nataraj. Now all of you take out the next page, and I am telling you what is the page number you have to take out. So all of you take out page number 59, and the chapter name is Immortal Figures. I am also taking out. Yes. This is the chapter Immortal Figures. Now given below are the pictures of famous personalities and their achievements. Write their names in the space provided with the help of the clue box given below. So first is former British Prime Minister, first woman head of the government in modern Europe. Answer is Margaret. Second, she was a peasant girl who led the French army of the English. Answer is Joan of Arc. Third, she was the Queen of England. Shakespeare lived during her time. Answer is Queen Elizabeth. Fourth, German statesman and chief architect of the German Empire. Answer is Otto von Bismarck. Fifth, dictator from Germany. He started the Second World War. Very easy, Hitler. Sixth, he was Emperor of France. He had a largest empire in Europe. Answer is Napoleon Bonaparte. Seventh, he was one of the world famous writers of English language. Again very easy, William Shakespeare. 8. Her work laid foundations of today's nursing profession. Answer is Florence Nightingale. Now all of you take out next page, that is page number 60, and the name of the chapter is petroleum. In this chapter we will learn about petroleum. So first is petroleum is also known as dash oil, crude oil. Second, petroleum is so valuable that we call it black gold. Third, which country has the largest petroleum reserves in the world? Saudi Arabia. Fourth, powerful drills are used for digging the petroleum out. These drills are known as oil rigs. Fifth, petroleum contains several different substances mixed together. These different substances are separated out in an answer is oil refinery. Sixth, the two fuels we get from petroleum are answer is petrol and diesel. Okay. Now next, last one is the brain gym. You can see brain gym, write the full forms of CNG, it is compressed natural gas, and LPG, it is liquefied petroleum gas. Now all of you take out next page, and next page is page number 61. Okay, yes, so page number 61, the name of the chapter is Amazing Animals. You have to take the correct option. So first is, this desert animal never drinks water, it makes water in its body when the food combines with oxygen. Answer is kangaroo rat. Second, this is a word only snake that build nest. So answer is king cobra. Third, this bird can fly backward. Answer is Cuban hummingbird. Fourth, it is the only animal with movable upper jaw. Answer is alligator. Fifth, it is the only poisonous bird in the world. Answer is hood pichohui. Sixth, this marine animal imitates human speech and even laughter. Answer is dolphin. Seventh, this animal has the slowest growth rate in about 100 years. It grows just 0.3 inches long. Answer is deep sea calm. Eighth, most poisonous frog is the poisonous dart frog. Ninth, most poisonous fish in the world is puffer fish. And 10th, the most venomous snake is the inland taipan. So students, today we have done the 5 chapters. Now all of you do these chapters in the book. Okay. Now we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care. Bye bye.